am so glad you're here. So I'm going to get started cooking, and then I'm going to tell you more about how this is going to work and what's going to go on. To make sure that anybody who's cooking along with me, you want to know all your ingredients. So I'm going to tell you, we're using a pound-ish of Italian sausage. We've got a cup of onion. I'm going to chop it later, but a cup of chopped onion. Celery, half a cup of chopped celery. Half a cup of chopped bell pepper. I will do that later.